All right, creating a new document in Photoshop is real simple. In Photoshop, you're going to hit File New up here, or you're going to hit New File right here, either way. When you click on that, you're going to get this new document dialog that pops up. Up at the top, you've got presets for different types of paper that you might use. You can see all your presets. Different websites you may use, different website sizes, mobile phone sizes that you may use, film and video sizes you may use. In this class, you're going to live under the print category. Just click print now, you'll never have to touch it again. Now, I don't use these presets very often. I want you to type in your own sizes. If you're doing a project for me, it needs to be your name, which is first initial, last name, underscore, whatever the name of the project is, promo, or name tag, right? The width is how wide an object is. The name tag was 3 inches wide by 2 inches tall. The promo poster, 15 inches wide by 20 inches tall. Right here, you've got orientation. The name tag was wide, not tall. That means it's in landscape. If you're taking a picture of the beach, your phone's like this, not like this. If you're taking a picture of a person, it looks like this, not like this. So therefore, your orientation is portrait or landscape. Your resolution is how many pixels per inch you have. And for the promo poster and the name tag, it is 150. Your color mode should always be CMYK. That is the ink color that printers use. This should always be the same. All right, so when you're doing projects for me, you need to make sure that you have gone to the project section right here. When you click on a project, like the name tag or the promo poster, under file information, you should see exactly what is expected out of you. This is basically copy and paste exactly what this right side looks like. So there's really no reason for you to get this wrong. This file information alone is a large chunk of your grade for the promo poster and the name tag. So make sure you're paying attention to what your size of your document is. One last note on this. It is very easy when working inside of Photoshop to be dragging pictures into Photoshop, not notice that this picture is not the same as this name tag. These are two different files. They may look a similar size, but they're not. If you're curious to check, go to image size. You can see the size of your image. So if this was 3 by 2, let me unlink it real quick. 3 by 2, right there's my document. If I were to zoom in like this, and I were to have this one like this, it'd be real easy to confuse which one's which here if they both had the same image on it. Pay attention to your tabs at the top. Make sure you're on the right document. Good luck.